name is Holger Syrbe. I'm the director of the project aufBruch from Berlin, and we are an association of artists, and we provide and realize theater projects, artistic workshops in prisons mainly, but also theater projects with ex-inmates and actors and other people from outside. For the PROVA Project we realized also some workshops in the youth prison where they realized videos of themselves, a workshop called Picture of Me in the Society, and once they described themselves as also as a possibility to use this then later in the job centers. And one was a more artistic approach that they played roles, and so they get a lot of social skills also in these projects, because it was necessary that they cooperate, that they work together. They learned it to work really product orientated, because it was important for them also to finish the project, to finish the work there. In theater projects there's another really important point for us, that we can invite visitors in the prison. These are public performances, and normally then we run between 6 and 12 public performances with more than 100 visitors. They came into prison and they see that inmates are able to realize really professional art projects, and this is often a way to change the view on the prison too for the visitors from outside. So it makes the prison more transparent, and it's building a bridge between the inside and the outside. Young inmates get the possibility to find a new place for them in the society, and I think this is a really important point in resocialization and prevention of radicalization.